Morning, guys. I am going to Niagara today with my mom. So tired, but we go into Niagara Falls. We're just going for the day. We're not going to like stay the night or whatever. So we're just going for the day. Plans kind of changed, so that's that. So I'm gonna get ready, go take a shower. Yeah, I'm in a sweater because I'm special like that. Like, I don't know, I just find it comfortable. So yeah, see you guys in a bit, I guess. I'm probably gonna go back to sleep in the car, so when I get there. Here at the Bird Kingdom with my mom. Gonna go inside, see some birds. We're at Niagara. Well, down Niagara. Over there somewhere is a falls going down there, so later on I'll take some of that. But there's my mama, she's right there. Oh, it should be a good day. We'll see what happens.
She's a leopard tortoise.
Oh, look at the tortoise. I feel so sorry for my sister because you know how small Ralph is? She's gonna have such a hard time.
Years or more. So she will live a long time, and when she grows, she will pretty much grow like double this size and weight when she's fully grown. You're free to touch her shell if you want to try touching that. And she starts walking, I give her a little scratch in the butt right here, and then she usually gets like nice and weak in the knees, and you can see it. And then she can't even walk anymore. She feels so good.
Look at this snake.
8 years old. But he is a lot heavier.
There's one big one right there. And another one here.
She gets very shy and tends to only do most of her tricks when she's alone. Then she's trying to call people towards her. So only when she's lonely does she talk a lot. Our parents have really good use of their feet. They're actually able to hold like nuts just like we do with our hands, because they have 2 toes at the back and 2 toes at the front. So when they're grabbing something, it's almost like having a thumb. So she holds onto that shell until she's done with it. They're the second largest macaws in the world, and they live in South America, excited and active. What's still new? So actually,
Oh, it's very exciting. Oh, wait. Okay, great. Can you gravel? Gravel? Remake, can you gravel?
alright. So these guys, because they're bigger and have long noses and big eyes, they can see where they're going.
Here are the best. See, they're hanging upside down. There's one right here. This birdie, I don't know what kind of bird this is, but I know it has wings and can fly. So many things in Canada and you have no clue, like, it makes me think of creation, guys. Mama Duke's reading about birds.
Today.
These are fox
They come out
bats.
for the whole day. They're quite active right now.
Nah, shit.
I know Veronica. Okay, she's got a
Oh my god. There's Niagara again.
Viva el dinero, viva, viva el amor. The pesos we pass, put one in her glass. Soon she will say, si, senor. Viva el vino, viva el dinero, viva, viva el amor. With wine on her lips and money in your pocket, your sweetheart in your arms, you're happy as can be. Let's raise a glass, sing it all together, muchachos, caballeros, make this toast with me. The pesos we pass, put one in her glass, soon she will say, si, senor.
We got Katy Perry on. Baby, everywhere you work, make them go up, up, Oh my god, guys, like honestly, like I'm so pissed. Like I went to the mailbox to like find out, because I did my test 2 weeks ago for school. I went to the mailbox and I didn't get in. I'm so mad. Like I could have swear I did everything on the test sheet properly and they messaged me back and said that I was not qualified for the program. Like, what the hell? Like, I'm so, like, what am I gonna freaking do in September now? Like, I'm so pissed. Like, all I'm gonna freaking do is dialysis every damn freaking other day? Someone's telling me don't cry. Well, how can I not cry? Like, I'm so mad. This is what you have to deal with when you're afflicted with a stupid sickness. And your life is just so, like, messed up. Like, honestly. Like, why do I have to have lupus? Like, I don't understand. I don't get it. I'm not whatless. I'm not one of those people that leave high school and just stop going to school and they just want to make the money. No, I want to have an education. Okay? Yes, I said education. Like, sometimes, like, this is the reasons why I always say, like, why me? Like, why do I have to have lupus? Like, I don't understand. I don't get it, guys. I'm so over my life right now. Like, I'm so over it. Now I'm not even going back to school in September like I planned. That's cool. That's cool. I'm pissed right now. Honestly. I'm gonna be totally honest with you. I go to church, but I'm pissed off at God right now. Pissed off. It's cool.